The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class arrives with a strong reputation for comfort, technology, and refinement. But new safety testing has raised important questions. The updated moderate overlap front crash test from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety takes a closer look at how well modern vehicles protect both front and rear occupants in real-world collisions. In this latest evaluation, the E-Class showed solid structural performance, with the safety cage remaining stable and front seat protection holding up well. Driver injury measures stayed within good limits, reinforcing that the vehicle still performs confidently for the person behind the wheel. Where things became more complicated was in the rear seat, which is now a major focus of the updated test. The rear passenger restraint system did not perform as expected during the crash simulation. The seatbelt moved higher on the body instead of staying low on the pelvis, increasing the risk of abdominal injury. This single issue was enough to lower the overall rating to marginal in the updated moderate overlap test, even though other injury measurements remained acceptable or good. This result matters because safety standards continue to evolve, and buyers increasingly expect top ratings across every seating position. The E-Class still delivers luxury, advanced driver assistance, and a smooth driving experience. But this test shows that even premium brands face challenges as crash protocols become more demanding.